Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making buttery, soft, homemade biscuits from scratch. They are so easy to make. There is nothing quite like a warm, buttery, flaky biscuit straight from the oven that you can slather with butter and jam and make it into a breakfast sandwich. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. You will need all-purpose flour, buttermilk, salted butter, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. So let's get started. Into my flour, I'm gonna add salt, baking soda, baking powder, then give it a good mix. Add cold butter to the flour mixture. The butter for this recipe needs to be as cold as possible. Work the butter into the flour mixture using your fingers. You can also use a fork, 2 knives, box grater, or food processor. Your goal is an evenly crumbling mixture, just like so. Next, we're gonna make a well in the center of the flour mixture. Pour 1 cup of buttermilk. Then stir everything together until just combined. Do not overmix. Overworking and overhandling biscuit dough will result in tough, hard, flat biscuits. The dough will look shaggy and sticky, just like so. Turn the dough out onto a generously floured surface and gently work the dough together. Once the dough is cohesive, we are going to do a little bit of laminating. This means folding the dough 5 to 6 times to create flaky layers in our biscuits. Fold in half over itself and use your hands to gently flatten layers together. Apply more flour into your hands as you are working with this dough. If the dough is sticky, just sprinkle on additional flour about a tablespoon at a time. Once you are done with your folds, use your hands to flatten dough to 1 inch thickness. Make close cuts. Press the biscuits cutter straight down into the dough and drop the biscuits onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Gently rework the dough to get out another biscuit or 2 until you have 9 biscuits. Once you are done with your cutouts, bake your biscuits at 450 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes or until the tops are beginning to just turn lightly golden brown. Our biscuits are out of the oven, and for extra yumminess, brush the tops of the biscuits with melted butter. Serve warm and enjoy. Please guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family. Until next time guys, Bye. Honey for my heart.